how to transfer USDT from Bybit to OKX. First of all, you need to log into your Bybit account. Then you need to move to the asset on top right corner and go to the funding account page. Now you need to find USDT in the list. If you can find it, you can use the search bar. Then you need to click withdraw and you need to choose the network, the chain. Let's go to OKX. Let's find out our TRC20 wallet address. To get the wallet address, we need to go to the assets on top right menu, go to my assets page, go to the funding on the top menu, and across USDT, we need to hover over these three dots, then click deposit. Okay, and we need to copy this wallet address. Let's go back to Bybit and paste the wallet address. Alright guys, and now we need to enter the amount of USDT we are sending. So you need to click confirm, finalize the payment, and in maximum 2 minutes. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.